Hey guys, what's going on here? Welcome to another video. So I've been really busy because of my travels and work and shooting stuff. So I didn't really have time and to make any videos, to be honest. But then today I got to make a very special video, and it blew my mind when I saw it. This AI app just blew my mind. So I got to make this video. So I stumbled upon the internet on this AI app called Remini. So it basically de-blurs, so you can submit a blurry picture, and it sharpens it, and it uses AI to just put bits and all this information back onto this picture, and just recreates it, and then so you get like a sharper picture. So to some extent, like some of the blurry pictures, you can't even tell where it is, like the details and stuff. But it puts all these details back. So I download the app, and I tested it just using some old photos, some kind of blurry photos, and see what it looks like. I didn't really expect much, but when the results came out, it blew my mind. I was like, my gosh! I started swearing. It's like, wow, this is crazy. I mean, they're basically just recreating the entire picture, from scratch, with some just small data, information, so just check it out. I'm gonna show you like the screenshots, like I'm gonna record the screen recording, and then you can see what I've done and like all these individual pictures. So I took a picture. I used a picture from a really old picture from a second grade, my classmates and stuff. So every one of them are like a de-blurred basically, and you can see the result. Some of them are like almost like perfect, and some of them like not so good when you look at details. But some of them are just perfect. So let's get right onto this. Let's check it out. Hey guys, what's going on here? So let me show you the process of restoring the images. So this is some really old from the 80s, from my second grade at school. And as you can see, the image is pretty blurry you can't really see any details actually here. And then, so this is an overall before and after. So you can see puts back all these details and stuff. Pretty amazing. So let me show you the individual. So here you can go down below here, you can see the individual person. So this is what he used to look like. I mean like the actual photo. And then when you swipe it, and then after, I mean this guy actually looks like this. I remember this been like what, 4 decades ago maybe. So yeah, although like they probably enhanced the skin and stuff, probably it doesn't really look that perfect, but then the actual face, it just looks pretty accurate, you know. I mean, not some of them are not so. I mean, yeah, still pretty okay. But I used to hang out with him a lot as a kid, and he actually looks exactly like this. So it's pretty amazing, the details and stuff. So yeah, pretty much all of them, they look pretty authentic. Although like I tried, this is me, but then yeah, it looks a little weird. I have to say. I have to say that it doesn't work that well on Asian people, because they assume like most Asian people have double eyelid too. Because I think the database is based on more like Caucasian like features and stuff. So this is my teacher, and actually she looks like this. I mean the right, this eye kind of looks kind of weird maybe. Yeah. As I said, it works better on Caucasian people than Asian people, because Asian people have one eyelid. So they assume that this AI assumes that people have a double eyelid, and then if you try it on Asian people, it puts a double eyelid on Asian people. I mean, that's kind of the flaw, that they can't really tell if it's Asian, or I guess they have to enhance it to be able to recognize whether it's Asian or black or Indian or Northeasterners, what have you. So they will have to. I mean, this is just the beginning. So I think the next update and stuff will be enhanced. But as of now, I mean, it works pretty well on Caucasians. But I tried it with some my pictures and Asian people. I mean, they put double eyelid and then just like Caucasian features on it, and then it just looks more like a yeah, a mixed blood person all of a sudden. A little bit, not like too much, but it still looks like that person. But it's just, and it depends on your resolution of the photo. You know, if you like have it like really small and it just doesn't have a lot of details or none of that, and it gets really hard. But if you have a larger picture and the details are blurred, you can actually get it back pretty accurately, you know, the way it is. So yeah, most of them are pretty good. Actually, I know all these guys with names though. This one is not that great actually. She looks better than that one, but she actually looks like this. So it's pretty cool. So there we go.